Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the panel. Press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon while your cursor sits in a text box. This immediately brings up the emoji picker. It saves time versus navigating menus. Once the panel is open, type a keyword to filter, smile, heart, or party, and the results update instantly. Make sure to click the text field again if the picker won't appear, because the panel needs an active insertion point to paste emoji. Next, choose and insert emoji. Navigate with arrow keys or click an item, then press Enter or click to insert. Once done, use the panel tabs to switch between emoji, K-emoji, symbols, and GIF so you can match tone. If you type a modifier like skin tone, select it from the skin tone menu to modify an emoji's appearance. Also, remember that some apps auto-convert text emoticons. Make sure the app supports Unicode emoji for consistent results. Finally, refine and troubleshoot. Enable the touch keyboard on the taskbar for one-click access. It's handy on laptops and touchscreens. If you need legacy symbols, some programs accept Alt plus numeric codes, but Unicode emoji is more reliable. If emoji appear as boxes or not at all, update Windows, install a modern font, and restart the app. This resolves missing glyphs most of the time. If that fails, try copying emoji from the panel into a plain app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.